If you want to change up the style and look of your website, go to the left-hand side here and click on Styles. Once again, we'll have a few different tabs to look at, and we'll start with the Colors tab. Here you'll see all of the colors on your website that are currently in use, and they're sorted by how often they appear. At the top here, we have this white color that's used 51 times. If you want to swap out this color, just click on Change, and you're able to select a new color, and it will update that across your entire site at once. This is perfect for quickly adjusting your color palette. Next, let's look at fonts. Here you can see the fonts that I currently have in use. And if I want to change out these fonts, I can click on Edit Text Styles. I can change out the fonts that are used for my headings and paragraphs. Let's go back here and click into Buttons. Here you're able to change out the button style for your entire website. You have three options. You have this rounded button style, this square rounded button style, and this fully square. And to change out the buttons, simply just click on a new style. Lastly, let's check out animations. This lets you control how elements will appear on your website when a page loads in. You can keep it simple with no animation. You can also go with a fade, slide, or a scale. When selecting a new animation, you can use the preview mode to see how those animations are going to look on your website. So that's how you can quickly change up the style of your website.